Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Plants vs. Brainrots task quest. So basically, you will need to build steps. Well, you'll need to build the bridge to get to the other side, and you'll need to basically defeat Brainrots with the snowy mutation. If you are still confused, you're able to talk to the Nutcrackerini. Says defeat snowy brainrots to get snowballs and then take the snowballs to the bridge and build it. So the first one you'll need 10 snowballs, which I already have, so build. The next one you'll need 50 and so on and so forth to get to the other side. So it's actually simple. Oh, okay, you'll need 50 for it. So it's actually pretty simple. You'll just need to wait for your plants to defeat snowy Brainrots, and yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!